on the axis of circular current flow. So magnetic field on the axis of a circular current loop. This is a current circular loop in the center to one particular point outside the point. This is P. The radius of the circular loop A. First I will complete the diagram. I will explain after. Okay, now listen. Circular loop, the center point C, for this one O. So this is the current element DL for this much. Current element DL. This O to P, particular point outside. This one is considered to S vector, position vector S, origin to P, that is the R, and making angle phi. Center to in this O, C to O. This is small a. This is Q. This is QS. Okay. So first using the Poisson law, dP formula. Actually consider a circular loop of a wire of radius A, current carrying I. We wish to find the magnetic field axial point P at a distance R from it. dP, it is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi IDL sin theta divided by R square ma. So R square means what? Current element to in this point, it is a R square. But in this diagram, current element to particular point, this is S vector, no? So that I am writing S square. Now the DL current element, it is perpendicular to S. DL and the current element both also perpendicular. Then what about the theta value? Theta equal to 90 degree. So just apply the value sin 90. Sin 90 value is 1. So dp equals naught divided by 4 pi IDL divided by S square. This is equation number 1. Now we want to find the total magnetic field at the point P. Total magnetic field at the point P. Total magnetic field. So B equal integral dp sin pi. So dp value mu naught 4 pi IDL S square. And what is the value of sin pi? So sin, it is the opposite by hypotenuse, no? From above diagram, taking the sin pi, you will get A by R, that is a by S. A by S. So dp value also I know that, sin pi value also I know that. So just apply in this formula, B equal integral mu naught divided by 4 pi IDL divided by S square, sin pi value A divided by S. So you will get B, it is equal to mu naught I A divided by 4 pi S cube, S square and 1, S power 3 integral dl. So just now we said what is the value of dl? dl equal to 2 pi r. But in this condition 2 pi a, r is the radius. Refer the diagram. From above diagram, a only radius. So the 2 pi a. What is the value of dl? 2 pi a. Just apply it. B equal mu naught I a divided by 4 pi s power 3 into 2 pi a. So dl means that is a circumference. Okay. Okay. So now the B formula, B equal mu naught I a square divided by 4 pi s power 3. This is equation number 2. Now I am finding the value of s from above diagram. Listen. So this is O. O2 in this point. This is the A. This is the point B. This distance S. A, S. This is R. O2P is the R. What is that? Yeah. COP. Right angle triangle COP. So I need value of S. Using Pythagoras, S equal root of A square plus R square. So this one I am writing S equal A square plus R square power 1 by 2. Mu naught I A square divided by 4 pi. What is the value of S? A square plus R square power 3 it is there. So 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2. This is equation number 3. B formula. B means magnetic field. Now, the magnetic field direction along the positive x-axis. It is the x direction.
Sir,
Hello, yes ma'am.
sir, that P is equal to nu naught I A square by 2 pi only will come now, sir, there.
2 pi, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Correct. We didn't cancel this one. 2 come. 2 only come. Making this 4 value also. 2. Very good. Two s power 3, 2 into s value a square plus r square power 3 by 2. Okay. So now direction, it is the x direction. Same formula only, just to mention the I cap. Form of vector, P vector equal to mu naught I a square divided by 2 into a square plus r square power 3 by 2. This power 3 by 2 I cap. Equation number 4. In case n number of turns it is there. Now we are discussing for the one circle. N number of turns it is there means then you will get B equal mu naught n I a square divided by 2 into a square plus r square power 3 by 2. This is equation number 5. Okay, now listen everyone. No need to copy, listen. Magnetic field on the axis of a circular current loop. So using the Poisson law. You know very well about Poisson law. The formula dP directly proportional to the current, directly proportional to the dl, directly proportional to sine theta. That is the angle, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. From the diagram, C2, that is the origin to in this point O, C2O, the radius value A, current element dl, outside the point, this is the P, C2P R position, O2P S vector. So this is a value. Now the current element and the S vector both also perpendicular. Then theta value 90 degree. You will get dP equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi IDL S power 2, equation number 1. So finding the total value, total magnetic field B equal integral dP sin pi. Sin pi value A by S. Why we are using dP sin pi? Because of dP sin pi, it is only act. dP cos pi it is not possible, dP sin pi only. There is a two rectangular component, dP sin pi along the axis, dP cos pi perpendicular to the axis. It is along the axis, so that we are taking dP sin pi. Along the axis, dP sin pi perpendicular to the axis, that is a dP cos pi. Okay, now sin pi value A by S, you will get B equal mu naught divided by 4 pi IDL S square A by S. Now the integral only plays DL. So DL value 2 pi A. So 2 pi means pi cancel. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. B equal to mu naught I A square divided by 2S cube. Next one, see that I need to find the S value also. Using the Pythagoras theorem, S equal to root of A square plus R square. A square plus R square power 3 by 2. Normal formula, magnitude formula. In case vector forming, this is the x direction. So that it is a I cap. N number of turns it is means multiple with the N. Capital N is the number of turns. Okay, ma'am. So up to that, take a notes. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So this diagram part, I just rewrite. Please note it. For the vertical component, dP cos phi along the axis, the value is dP sin pi. dP cos phi perpendicular to the axis, it will cancel out. So only along the component only it will take place.
So scroll down. So
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, next applying for the special cases. Case 1, case 2, case 3 it is there. I will tell you the cases, we will try. The R value it is a small r value. The small first case, the small r value, it is 0. That means what? The center of the current loop. At the center of the current loop. What is the formula you will try? At the center of the current loop. Second condition, that the R value is very greater compared to A. So A value is very small. Then what is the formula? Third condition, R value and A value both also equal. So this is today homework. Find the formula. First condition R equal to 0. Second condition, the A value is very small. Third condition, R value equal to A. So what is R? What is A? A is the radius, R the center point to outside the point. That is the R position. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss more. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So once again scroll up, sir.
Yes, thank you. 1 minute.